Hello everyone, I am Dhananjay Prasad and engaged with Hero BPO and Hero Mindmine. These are the two of the Hero Group companies. In past, I have also worked with erstwhile Daksh, which is now Concentrix, and also with erstwhile Keen, which is now Entity Data. Has spent a good amount of time in the entire BPO industry, along with Daksh as well as Keen, spreading close to around 14 years of massive experience. My key role as a strategic leader has been to use agile IT frameworks that can drive growth, profitability, and revenues. This is the in thing in the fashion for the CFOs and the CEOs of the organization. I want to see how CIOs can help CFOs and CEO meet their needs of cost effectiveness and also the globalization standards. Beyond this, there is my passion to drive key transformational IT initiatives, projects, create futuristic value offerings, bring an effective customer experience, and enhance business growth. This is how I envision the way forward and radically change the way we do business. Our first objective was envisioning how we can enable next generation customer experience. To bring in a paradigm shift in the enhancing of customer expectations, we studied, evaluated operations in the contact center area, data integration requirements, process via multiple channels. This helped us to do the overall transformation from the usage of multi-channel, cross-channel to the way forward omni-channel way that makes our estates work as brand ambassadors for our customer. This demand enabled to promptly and seamlessly switch from voice to other channels and ensure enhanced customer experience management that resulted in increased loyalty, trust, and a better ROI for the customer. Our second objective was to build platform-enabled services capability, for example, web chat environments with chatbot element and building an artificial intelligence in the same. Hence, automation and artificial intelligence is today's next key agenda for us, and we are already engaged in doing the base proof of center concept for this environment. They have already identified a process and are doing it. The earlier that I mentioned about the omni-channel way, in the omni-channel scenario, what we were experiencing was it was very difficult to satisfy the customer because when they contact over one channel and we wanted to talk to another channel or a customer has an option for another channel, there was no seamless migration. By way of that, we were having a very good amount of average handle time, which was at a higher side. However, after the seamless integration, at the customer's comfort, we were immediately able to migrate from the voice channel to data, any of the messaging or any other channels. This is how we enhance the customer experience by way of reducing the average handle time and also accessing the customer very easily in the one shot initiative. The second objective that I mentioned about the artificial intelligence and the overall chatbot enablement in the internal scenario is how we wanted to ensure that a canned response can be generated by way of capturing all the information from the normal interaction from all the customers apart from the routine mundane questions or the queries or the frequently asked questions that are asked with us. This is how we have also evaluated and built in intelligence into the chatbot enablement. This was the second thing. Beyond this, if I include my data analytics, if I add natural language processing, if I add machine learning to the same environment, I can add more intelligence and help enable my overall process go through a process automation via robotic standards. By way of this, I will be in a position to have a better productivity and efficiency when we actually deploy the RPA. We are already doing a proof of center concept for RPA and will be successfully able to deploy that in next 6 months. Thanks everyone, and wish you good luck for IBC 2016. Thank you.